we are doing right here, this is a rental equipment. All of this is rental equipment, and they're for sale too. So we're doing an inspection about the oil, the coolant, the light towers. We check the lights, and then in the generators, we do the same thing. Check the oil, the coolant, and start the generator, check the voltage. So this equipment should be ready to rent. So that's what we are doing right now. Checking the oil. This oil is not looking good, so we need to do a maintenance to this one. For now, we're gonna connect the battery and see if it starts and it's producing power and the lights is working. So this one is working good, but need oil change, and we need to clean all that dust, put it on shape. We make a note. And when we finish all of them, then we're gonna start in the beginning, start fixing the stuff, order the filters, order the oil, perform the maintenance, and cleaning it up, let it ready to rent.